Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Trefoiled men's lightweight heated vest with battery pack. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because simple fit, comfortable and warm. This heated jacket features a lightweight, fitted design that ensures freedom of movement while providing all-around warmth. It is both waterproof and windproof, designed to handle various weather conditions with ease. Comprehensive warmth, from head to hands. 4 high-efficiency carbon fiber heating elements are strategically placed under the collar, mid-back, and in both pockets to deliver long-lasting warmth to your core and hands. With just one click, adjust between 3 heating settings to enjoy personalized comfort at any time. Fast warmth, long-lasting use. Powered by a 7.4-volt UL/CE certified battery, this product heats up in seconds. Enjoy up to 10 hours of warmth on a single charge. The built-in USB port also allows you to charge your smart devices, offering added convenience and practicality. Suitable for multiple occasions and providing warmth at all times. Whether you're commuting, walking the dog in autumn, watching a ball game, working in a cold office, or layering under a winter jacket, this heated clothing offers all-weather comfort and warmth, allowing you to stay warm anytime, anywhere. Ultra easy care, durable, and stylish, machine washable for easy cleaning. The heating element and vest structure are built to last, withstanding over 50 washes while always maintaining their best appearance. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.